Hello and welcome to another vlog. So in this vlog we're going to Parramatta. We're going to have a look around Parramatta, but I thought I would film my journey to Parramatta. In a previous vlog we filmed getting the boat from Parramatta to Circular Quay, which is a great way of doing it if you've got plenty of time. In this video we're going to get the train. Now there is track work today, so we may have to get off the train and get a bus, but let's see how we go. So according to signs, there are currently no trains between Strasbourg and Lidcombe, which is where we want to go, because we have to go through there to get to Parramatta. So we're going to find out which train we need to get to Lidcombe, and then we'll either get another train to Parramatta or we'll get a bus. Thinking we might get an express train. This one goes in 4 minutes if we can get it from platform 8. Alright, so we're going to try and get to platform 8. Is this platform 8? If it is, then that's a bargain. And that's good because it is. First stop, Strasbourg is in 3 minutes. So we're going to get on this non-stop to Strasbourg, and then we will find a bus from there. Two minutes, let's see if we've got in front. It is looking rather busy. I don't like to film on busy trains. Doing some track work there. They've got some new platforms going in and doing some things on the platforms.
The train on platform 8 goes to Wyong via Strathfield.
Wyong.
First stop Strathfield, then Epping,
This one. We're going to the next stop. Some trains coming in there. Now it goes to Wonderbine, which is the only station in the country where there's no road access, and that's another vlog I'd like to film at some point. I'm going to do some walking around Wyong, but they're doing some new platforms over there. They've got some platform upgrades. There is a project to transform Central Station and put shopping above it, or some precinct above it this side of Central, so it will be changed. That's not for a while yet though. There we go. It's one of the older K-sets. I believe that's a K-set. Units over there. There you go. There's a new unit over there on platform 1. And then testing. Alright, let's see what we can see out the window. Travel to Strasbourg. Redfern. Luckily for us, we don't stop here today. Non-stop to Strasbourg. Alright, we've made it to Strathfield, so we're going to try and get on a bus now off to Parramatta, or a bus and another train. Let's see how we go.
Wynyard, Milson's Point, North Sydney, then all stations to
Alright,
Chatswood, then
just sort of film a couple of trains while I'm here in this vlog. So there's a train coming in. That's our North Shore service, so it goes across the Harbour Bridge. And there's our train. It's off to Woy Woy. There you go, he goes over the viaduct, I'm assuming.
Milson's Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then Roseville.
Alright, let's please walk through. I think this red bus here is our express bus service to Lidcombe. Alright, we're on the bus, express to Lidcombe. Okay, just okay. Alright, there's the bus which we've just got off. We're now at Lidcombe, where we're going to get the train to Parramatta. That seems to take forever. It was packed, so I didn't do much filming. And the traffic in Lidcombe today is pretty busy. Whether that's normal for a Saturday, I don't know. Anyway, let's try and find our train towards Parramatta.
Then all stations to Liverpool, then
Alright,
Glenfield,
that's not our train.
and Leppington.
That's our Leppington service. We're boarding a Penrith service. Limited stops to Parramatta. It's about 4 stops, I think, this time. That one starts from here. There you go. All the services are going to Olympic Park from here today, not to the city. So to get to the city you have to get off here and then change. Alright, looks like our train's coming in. Around the bend from Olympic Park. Oh no, this one is the train going to Olympic Park. Around the bend. There you go, I'm looking the wrong way. I am not from Sydney, so I've certainly never been here before, apart from going through it. Our train should still come round the bend, but on the opposite direction. Here comes. Then we're going to get this to Parramatta. Well, I'll end the vlog for this ride. Normally you'd be able to get a train straight to Parramatta. There are all stops trains from the city and the city circle, and then there's the express services that call it usually Strathfield and straight to Parramatta, or sometimes straight to Parramatta if you're lucky. Alright, let's get on board. Alright, we are off. Okay, looks like we're off from Leppington. We are off from Lidcombe, should I say? And we're going to Parramatta. Alright, made it back to Parramatta. There goes our train. Off to Penrith.
Next train to arrive on platform 4 goes to Richmond. First stop, Westmead, then
All
all
right, Richmond
stations
service
to
next.
Blacktown, and then
That's a
all stations
T5
to
service.
Richmond.
And then there's a T5 service to Schofield. Alright, made it back to Parramatta, like I said, so we're going to end the vlog here. Thanks for coming on this very quick vlog, but I thought I'd show you the journey, an unusual journey because of the engineering works. But we'll leave it there, and until the next time, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye bye.